the cool coffee maker, and the brilliant box stuffer, an educational masterpiece highlighting division of labor through specialization, created by Zachary Hoops for Economics 1500 at Utah State University, starring Jack and Jill. This is the United States. We are a wonderful country with many smart people. We design lots of things: cars and trucks in Detroit, airplanes in Seattle, electronics in California, and top clothing designers are in New York City. But why is most of this stuff not made in the United States of America? Why is it made elsewhere? For example, there are factories in Central America, South America, Africa, Asia, and all over the world. Why is this? Why not in America? Is there some evil cabal made up of the globalist businessmen, aka the evil geniuses and foreign governments, or the job thieves? They have some secret handshake business deal to steal their jobs away? No. It's called the division of labor. This division of labor can be easily described via the boss man and his two employees, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill work at this company for about 2 weeks, and they both came here from other jobs. They have two main responsibilities. They either make the coffee or package the boxes. Jack can make 1 cup of coffee in the same time he can package 4 boxes. Jill, who can multitask, can make 4 cups of coffee and package 4 boxes at the same time. Which one is better? Obviously, Jill can do more. So is she therefore the better employee? One would easily say so, and one may congratulate her for being a better employee because she can do more. But when we look at their backstories and their previous jobs, we can see that Jack was a delivery driver for a major shipping company, and Jill was a barista. Both were very good at their jobs, so logically Jack would be the one stuffing and packaging the boxes, and Jill would be the coffee maker. And so when it comes to making coffee and packaging boxes, it is clear to see that the division of labor is caused by specialization for Jack and Jill